I want to build something that lasts generations. I would say I try to pursue excellence. So to me, it's not about being like a perfectionist or trying to get everything right every single time. But whatever I do, I just try to do my best. Let other people tell you no. Don't tell yourself no. My name is Ozi. I am a Master's of Engineering student in Climate and Sustainability Engineering within the Pratt School of Engineering. I am really passionate about the energy transition and ensuring that it's affordable, reliable, and sustainable. I'm Nigerian. I grew up in Nigeria. I was born and raised there. I had a call with my sister, who's still living in Nigeria. Shout out, love my sister. She mentioned how, yeah, she really wants to study, but there's no electricity. That was a really defining moment for my life. That became the push, and that really led me to really focus on applying to programs that I felt would help me address energy insecurity. Before I started my master's, I was working in the power electronics industry for several years. But the more I worked on projects, the more I realized that I really wanted to focus my skills on ensuring that energy security was something that was available to all people in all different communities. And I started looking at different master's programs, and Duke stood out to me. One of the key things for me was that I really wanted a school that really cared about me as a whole person. I also really liked the fact that the program was very, very hands-on. Reality is it's very, very project focused. Most of the classes, you're gonna do a big final project, you're gonna work in a team. And I think I really like that because having worked in the industry, I know that that is the most similar way to learn, that is actually similar to how the industry functions. There's a lot of flexibility and room for you to kind of build the curriculum that you want. You have professors that have actually worked in the industry, so they're not teaching to you based off solely theory or something they read in a textbook somewhere. It's kind of okay, these are the tools that we actually use in different projects, and this is how it would actually help you. This is actually an article that I have to read right before my class in a few minutes.
Let's go to your class.
Okay, let's do that. This is Hudson. Energy transitions class was really good because one, it is fully entirely what I care about, which is energy access, reliability, sustainability. It's all put into one class. I was checking to see if my professor was in there. He's not. I also like the fact that the class had different styles to it. So projects, case studies, guest speakers, debates. So there were just a lot of different modes of learning. This program is industry focused, and it's also built with the industry people as the backbone for how the program is structured. So we have our industry advisory board that has about I think 14 industry people from a wide range of different companies. They really provide insights and inputs into how the program is structured, the different classes that we take, and the future of the program. And that's been really helpful. A couple weeks ago, we had the industry advisory board meeting where they all came to campus, and we got to meet with them and network with them, and that was amazing. You're not gonna be shy of networking opportunities. Honestly, if anything, you're gonna be this is a lot of networking opportunities. So it really does prepare you to go into the industry with that industry framework, because that's the focus of the program is okay, how do we create leaders in the climate, energy, and sustainability space that can go into the workforce in whatever field you find yourself in. Wherever you find yourself, this program is training you to have a sustainability, climate, energy mindset in that space. Oh, am I typically super busy? The short answer is yes. I'm also really involved on campus, so I think that's part of it. So I am currently president of the Pratt Energy and Sustainability Club. I'm also chair for the Global Energy Access Network here at Duke. So I recently organized a career trek to DC for about 20 students to visit 4 different companies plus a networking reception. So, and I do a bunch of other things on campus too. So I'm typically really busy. But I love it. I love being busy. This is stuff I enjoy to do. Yeah. I actually got this internship through my project with Middle Earth Innovations, which is through Design Climate. So one of the key things that you learn in that class is that you build a startup by actually going out into the marketplace, into your, supposed customers, and you actually start talking to them. So we call this like stakeholders. And so in the process of reaching out to a stakeholder at the time, I reached out to him just like a cold message on LinkedIn, and he connected me to that person, and the person was like, yeah, I have a spot on my team if you want to come. And so yeah, that's gonna be this summer, and so I'm really excited.
Okay, have a great class.
Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
Art,
Yes.
do you think your dream will come true?
Ooh, that's a philosophical question. I think so. I have to, right? That's part of having hope. Yes, I think so. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.